Hey friends, the next chapter of Mastering the Art of Manifestation series is unlocking faith and utilizing universe's power. In this video, we combined chapter 5 and 6, because these two chapters are related to each other. Okay, without any further delay, let's dive in. Introduction. Hey friends. In these chapters, we delve into the pivotal role of faith and the boundless power of the universe in your journey towards successful manifestation. Buckle up as we unlock the secrets that can transform your life. In today's video, mainly we're going to learn about two things. First one is the power of faith, and the second one is how to utilize the universe's power. Let's learn more about the power of faith, the role of faith. Understand how faith serves as your internal energy source, driving you towards successful manifestation. Overcoming doubts. Learn why maintaining faith can be challenging, especially when faced with negativity and adversity. Faith versus temptation. Explore the dilemma of temptation and how it can erode your faith, leading to undesirable outcomes. Nurturing faith. Discover essential steps to bolster your faith without the need for deep religiosity. Faith as a tool. Realize that faith is a potent tool that empowers you to overcome obstacles and maintain an optimistic outlook. How to utilize the universe's power. The universe's resources. Recognize the vast resources the universe offers to assist you in effective manifestation. Seeking power. Understand that the universe's power can be found in various forms, from guidance to belief and how to access it. Discerning sources. Learn to differentiate between sources of power that invigorate and those that weaken your manifestation efforts. Belief as a guiding light. Emphasize the importance of belief as a guiding light on your path to manifesting your desires. Sharing the power. Acknowledge the significance of sharing the universe's power with others, fostering a positive ripple effect of achievement. Conclusion. In the next video, we'll continue unraveling the secrets of successful manifestation, guiding you on your journey to realizing your full potential and achieving your dreams. Stay tuned by subscribing for updates. Thanks for watching.